Monetize your SoundCloud. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to monetize your SoundCloud. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you have to go and open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you wanna type in www.soundcloud.com/discover. When you do that, type in, you'll have to log in. So when you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the dashboard section, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click the for artist option right inside corner. And then from the left hand side bar, you could see a list of options. So go to monetization. After which you want to go ahead and read the terms and conditions and click on get started. To go ahead and see all the plans, or you could just go ahead and get Artist Pro. So basically you'll need a premium, so you just go ahead and click the see all button. Now click the get started button, whichever plan that is available for you, enter in your credit card details, all of it, and you have successfully purchased the Pro account. After that, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and upload a song from the artist page, and here you just need to go ahead and click on the upload button and then upload the music. Once you've actually uploaded the music or the sound, then you could go to the home page and check whether the audio is monetized or not. So this is the way you could actually go ahead and monetize your SoundCloud account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.